In this tutorial, we will learn about HiveMQ Cloud. This broker is quite simple to use, while still providing some important functions. HiveMQ Cloud is 100% compliant with the MQTT 3 specification. These are all of the features of HiveMQ Cloud that are relevant to a Winlog application. Retained messages, all three levels of QoS, clean sessions, last will and testament, support of authentication with credentials, support of the TLS v1.2 security protocol, support of client certificate authentication, except in the free version. Now we will show you how to set up a simple HiveMQ Cloud cluster for our Winlog application. Go to console.hivemq.cloud. It is required to create an HiveMQ account if you haven't done it yet. After logging into HiveMQ, you will be asked to select a payment plan. Here, we will choose the serverless, free plan. This is great for testing, but it is quite limited. We suggest you pick the option that suits your needs best. You can click Compare Features for a more in-depth look at each plan. Keep in mind, a lot of these features are only relevant outside of Winlog. If you pick the Professional or Enterprise plans, you can pick the cloud service provider. Otherwise, you must pick AWS. Click Create to continue. In a few seconds, your cluster will be created. By clicking on Manage Cluster, you can look at your cluster's details and manage a few things. Cluster URL is the URL address of your cluster. This is what you need to put into the broker host field of your Winlog channel configuration. Port is the TCP port. You should put this into the TCP port field of your Winlog channel configuration. You can also delete your cluster if you don't need it anymore. In the Access Management tab, we can define some credentials to restrict access to the broker. We can also pick a permission type to further regulate what the client can do. It is also possible to create custom permissions to limit which topics can be accessed. You can see that we have created a client account. We can put these credentials in the Use Client Authentication field of our Winlog channel configuration. This is necessary to connect to this broker. The Integration tab can be used to connect to other services. This can be useful, but it doesn't concern Winlog in any way. The Web Client tab can be used to connect to our broker to make sure that everything works. In a moment, we will see how it can be used alongside Winlog. Here, we can subscribe to any topic we want. We can also subscribe to every topic at once by clicking here. And we can unsubscribe by clicking here. We can also choose the quality of service for each topic we subscribe to. Here we can also publish messages and pick the quality of service. Since we are subscribed to this topic, we can see we received the published message. If you add your Winlog application connected to your broker, you will see any message it publishes here as well. Let's quickly try a simple test application. This is a Winlog application that changes the value of a single topic. We don't see anything in the web client because we have not yet subscribed to the topic. Here, you can see how value has been received by the client. We can also do the opposite and send the value from the client to Winlog. As you can see, the value has changed in a Winlog application as well. The Getting Started tab has a lot of information you can use to learn more about HiveMQ in case you need to. Thank you for watching. This was just a basic tutorial. If you would like to learn more about HiveMQ, you can take a look at their website. For more information about Winlog, you can browse our site at www.cialcosistemi.com or send us an email at info@cialcosistemi.com. All the links can be found in the description. We will see you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day!